Home is not just a roof or a wall. It is the place that holds the stories of who we are. It is filled with memories, laughter, and comfort. When people move far away for study or work, they realize that home is more than a location. It is where the heart finds peace. There are many reasons why people choose to travel back home. Some want to escape stress from daily life, while others miss the warmth of family meals. For many students and workers, going home brings back energy and reminds them of simple happiness that money cannot buy. Returning home also brings a sense of belonging. No matter how far people go, they still feel deeply connected to their hometown. The familiar roads, the smell of food from local stalls, and the voices of neighbors make everything warm again, like time has never passed. Home is both a destination and a feeling. It welcomes you with open arms and asks for nothing. Every time you return, you can rest, recover, and prepare for the next journey in life with a peaceful heart. That is what makes the trip home so meaningful. People travel home for many personal reasons. For some, it is to save money instead of taking an expensive trip. For others, it is to visit their loved ones and enjoy time together. A short return home can also give them emotional balance and new motivation. Students often see home as a place to rest after exams. Workers return to spend time with parents, eat favorite dishes, and sleep longer. It feels like a simple reward after months of hard work in the busy city, where everything moves too fast to breathe. Some people come back home to celebrate important events. Family reunions, birthdays, and weddings become chances to reconnect. It is also a time to share stories, laugh together, and feel grateful for the people who still wait for them every year. Returning home is not just about visiting a place. It is about returning to oneself. In the warmth of family, people find strength to continue. Even when life outside is hard, the thought of home gives comfort and helps them move forward with hope. When people come back home, they are treated like guests of honor. Parents prepare delicious meals, familiar dishes that carry childhood flavors. The air smells of warmth and care. Even simple foods taste better because they are made with love and joy. Home brings a unique kind of comfort. You can sleep late, wear old clothes, and feel free from pressure. No one judges you, and every corner feels safe. The freedom to relax completely is something you cannot buy anywhere else in the world. The joy of home lies not only in comfort, but also in the company. Family members talk about old stories, laugh about funny moments, and sometimes argue softly, but always with love. These daily scenes become precious memories in everyone's heart. Coming home teaches people to slow down and appreciate the present. Life in the city can make them forget what truly matters. At home, they can find themselves again through simple routines, warm talks, and the smell of familiar dishes at dinner time. Going home is not only about family, but also about friends. People often meet childhood companions, talk about school days, and share laughter over street food. The bond between old friends never fades, even after years of separation. Reunions are full of joy and nostalgia. Sitting in the same cafes or by the river, friends talk about their new jobs, their travels, and their dreams. Every meeting feels short but warm, leaving behind a memory that stays forever in the heart. Many also attend local celebrations, such as weddings or festivals. These events bring the whole community together. The cheerful music, colorful lights, and familiar faces make everyone feel like they truly belong again to the place that raised them. Such reunions remind people that friendship, like family, is a gift of time and care. They learn that success is not only about money or fame, but also about staying connected with those who shared their youth and laughter long ago. Leaving home is always emotional. Parents pack gifts, food and money for the journey back. The suitcase feels heavier not because of the things inside, but because of the love it carries. Every hug before leaving becomes a promise to return soon. The road back to the city feels longer. You think of the meals, the laughter, and the small talks you had at home. The feeling is bittersweet. You are ready to move on, but a part of your heart still stays behind, missing the calm life. Going home may not give you fancy photos for social media, but it gives real memories that last. These quiet moments, the smell of rice, the sound of rain, become treasures that remind you of where you come from and who you are. Every trip home ends with gratitude. The next time you plan a vacation, consider returning home. It may not be an adventure, but it will heal your heart and fill you with peace, reminding you that sometimes the best journey is the simplest one.